Picture this. It's 7 a.m. You roll over. You grab your phone. Bad idea. You see a DM, or a passive-aggressive Slack message, or a comment from a total stranger, and boom! Your heart drops, your cortisol spikes, the vibes are rancid. You haven't even brushed your teeth yet, but you're already fighting a war in your head. You're rehearsing arguments, you're drafting replies, you're spiraling. Why do we do this? Why do we let people hijack our brains so easily? Here's the hard truth. Anger isn't an emotion, it's a notification. It's a system alert telling you one thing: reality does not match your expectations. Most of us are running on old software. We glitch every time the world buffers. But today, we are going to rewrite your operating system. We're going to fix your code so you can finally chill out. Chapter 1. The Admin Access Error. Let's start with the biggest bug in your system. I call this the Admin Access Error. Here's the scenario. You're driving. Someone cuts you off. You scream. You hit the horn. You ruin your own mood for the next hour. Why? Because you think you have admin access to reality. You think you can control the other driver. There's a philosopher named Epictetus, original Stoic, real smart guy. He taught the dichotomy of control. It's simple. Some things are up to you, some things are not. Your thoughts? Up to you. Your reaction? Up to you. The traffic? Not up to you. That rude waiter? Not up to you. When you get mad at them, it's like trying to log into someone else's computer. You don't have the password. You don't have admin privileges. You're just a guest user on this server. So, here's the cheat code. Next time someone acts up, activate the read-only mode. Don't try to edit their file. Just view it. Say to yourself, I do not have admin access to this person, and scroll past. Chapter 2. Spotting the NPC glitch. Okay, Chapter 2. Let's talk about main character energy. We all think we're the main character, so when someone is rude to us, we take it personally. We think it's part of our story. It's not. Usually, it's just a glitch in the matrix. Psychologists call this projection. I call it NPC behavior. Imagine you go to a coffee shop. The barista rolls their eyes at you. You think, what did I do? Do they hate me? Is my outfit weird? Stop. Check the data. Maybe their feet hurt. Maybe they just broke up with their partner. Maybe they're just bugging out. It has zero to do with you. You're just an extra in their movie. Here's the cheat code. The next time someone is rude, don't get mad. Get curious. Look at them like a scientist or a gamer spotting a bug. Say to yourself, whoa, look at that glitch. That NPC is having a runtime error. Observe the glitch. Don't become the glitch. Chapter 3. Closing background apps. Now we need to talk about your battery, your emotional bandwidth. Getting angry takes a lot of energy. It's a high-performance app. It drains your CPU. It heats up your device. Every time you argue with a troll online, every time you vent about your boss for 45 minutes, you're burning battery life that you can't get back. This is opportunity cost. If you spend 20% of your energy being mad, that's 20% you don't have for your hobbies or your friends or just napping. Here's the cheat code. Use the battery saver protocol. Before you engage with something annoying, check your internal battery. Ask yourself, can I afford this update? Do I want to spend 15% of my daily energy on this random comment? If the answer is no, close the app, swipe up, clear the cache, save your battery for things that actually matter. Chapter 4. Installing the buffer. Let's talk about lag. In gaming, lag is the enemy. You want zero latency. But in psychology, lag is a superpower. Lag is your best friend. There's a famous quote from Viktor Frankl. He survived the worst things imaginable. He said, between stimulus and response, there's a space. Most of us have zero space. Trigger happens, reaction happens, instant, automatic, like a reflex. We need to install a buffer. We need to create intentional lag. Here's the cheat code. I call it the loading screen breath. When something triggers you, don't react. Force a loading screen. Take one deep breath, 4 seconds in, 4 seconds out. That's your buffer. That tiny pause, it moves the signal from your lizard brain to your smart brain. It stops you from sending that text you'll regret. It lets the logic render before the anger loads. Chapter 5. The Beta Test Mindset. Final chapter. How do we make this permanent? We need to reframe the game. Usually, we look at annoying people as enemies. We think they're blocking our path. But what if they're not enemies? What if they're just farming locations? This is the concept of amor fati, loving your fate. Every annoying person is a training dummy. Every frustration is a chance to grind XP. You want to be more patient? You can't learn patience in an empty room. You need a slow walker to teach you patience. You want to be calm? You need chaos to practice calmness. Here's the cheat code. Gamify the struggle. When you run into a difficult person, don't say, "Why is this happening to me?" Say, "Oh, sweet, free XP." This interaction is an elite boss battle. Grind the XP, level up, use them to make your character stronger. Here's the bottom line. You cannot control the internet. You cannot patch human nature. People will be rude, tech will fail, plans will break. You can't stop the data from coming in, but you can upgrade your firewall. You don't have to accept every packet of negativity sent your way. So, here's your mission for today. Pick one glitch, one annoying thing. Maybe it's a loud chewer, maybe it's a slow elevator. Use the cheat codes. Activate read-only mode, install the buffer, and refuse to let it ruin your run. Don't let the NPCs write your storyline. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.